The factory is a shopping center in downtown Farmington. The factory was originally built as a shirt factory. In February of 1933, the Rice Sticks Dry Goods Company opened a facility on the corner of A and B Streets in Farmington. Around 15 women were employed on opening day. In January of 1934, a retiring report by B.T. Gentes claimed that the factory cost around $45,316 to build. Around 1943 was when many businesses made an effort to participate in World War II. For Rice Sticks, they offered workers scarce clothing, including the operation in Farmington. In 1969, the name was changed to Farmington Manufacturing Company, while also adding a few branches, those being Biltwell Distribution Center and Farmington Slack Outlet. Vicki Hensley is a former Biltwell worker, and she shares her memories of working there.
Well, working in this factory was different than working in any other factory that I've worked in. We mainly made pants here. In other factories, we made several different things. This was all one floor. It was lots of sewing machines, pressing. There were women inspecting clothes. It was quite different than it is now. Working in any factory can be challenging, and some say it's boring. Myself, this factory wasn't boring. I enjoyed working here. I enjoyed working with the people. They were different. They were more friendly in this area than any other factory that I worked in. It was just a good place to work. I remember how many women that they had here. There was women and men. There was 3 floors here, and it was just a different factory, different kind of a factory. The atmosphere seemed better than any factory I'd ever worked in.
In 1999, the Thorngate Biltwell factory closed, laying off 136 employees for sewing operations, while cutting room operations remained until fully closing in 2001. 1 year later, in 2002, it was agreed that the former factory would become an indoor mall facility and remains that to this day. The current owner of the factory is Larry Daniels. My name is Jack Toney, reporting for BKTV.